How to sign out of YouTube account on all devices. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page given at the bottom right corner. Once you're over here, click on the option Google account. You'll be directed to this page. Now head over to the section Security. Scrolling down, you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option Your Devices. Click on Manage All Devices. With that, you're going to find the list of the devices where your account is logged in. Now head over to the account that you want to remove. Just click on it. Then click on Don't Recognize Something. This will log out you from this device. By following same steps, you are able to log out your account from all these devices given over here. Just click on it. Then click on the option of sign out or don't recognize something. With this, you'll be logged out. So this way you can easily sign out of YouTube account on all devices. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.